12 keer old. Yeah, that one particularly bad. Warm, isn't it? Warm. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Thomas Cook Airlines, Captain Evans and all the crew, we'd like to wish you all a very warm welcome to Arrecife. The local time here is exactly the same time as in the UK. Please stay in your seats with your seatbelts tightly fastened until the aircraft has arrived on stand and the seatbelt signs have been switched off by the captain. Please be careful when they open the overhead lockers in case the bags fall out and hurt you or others around you. Do remember to check the seat area around you, your seat pocket, to ensure you haven't left anything behind. Mobile phones must remain switched off until you're inside the terminal building. We'd like to thank you for not smoking on board, but please remember that smoking is still not permitted until you're passed through customs and to once again outside in a designated smoking area. As you leave the aircraft, please have your passports ready for inspection by the local authorities. If you require further assistance, help will be available inside the terminal. To collect your luggage, please check the monitors for your flight number, which today is the TCX 202K. We'd like to thank you for flying with Thomas Cook Airlines. We do hope you have a great holiday here in the Canaries, and we look forward to welcoming you on board for your return journey home. Once again, please do remain seated until the seatbelt signs have been switched off. Thank you, and a very good afternoon to you all.